Video and make it that I got on Mathias Ezeaku. Yes. I'm a very core Christian till tomorrow. But people like Mathias Ezeaku, but somebody could say no. Na corridor of government, corridor of power. After nonsense, you want to post about this young man. Do we really want to be on the corridor of power, or do we want to, be different about religious war? When will religious war end? I ain't Igbo. Because video and the people of Igbo, all the people of Nsuka, I'm not this video that concern them. I want you guys to download this video, post it in every platform. That I, Jpac, no 100% in support of Mathias Ezeaku, Egaranya Abuja, in the House of Rep. So many people there with the wrong narrative that Mathias Ezeaku, Abuja, don't even Bandoka war is a lie. Oh, if fake I be me room nobi. Oh, when you talk about me room nobi, you look at Bawa, you will keep say art beyond expectation. But that is the lie. Onya get face any benapa. Onya get wayo eguru. Wayo ndo ka guru people today. Obro no ka di no mana all so ka woro fo ka nde store ka akrobaka. So many people joke ka we egu wayo. Woro nda ga egu wayo ogara ikwu okwu. Obro na ndi bu ndi Igbo choro ka anyị na corridor of power. I get remove here about sentiment. I get remove sentiment. If somebody like a core Christian, a core Catholic, could be able to support Mathias Ezeaku because of his charity, because of Mathias name Gosim Kafnanya, or Bruno name arrange all the people need Mathias Megoro. In one word or the other, the evidence is clear, evidence is there. People of Igbo Titi Nsoka download the video when you get away some people the way they hate Mathias. Mana basically video about ndi Igbo etiti ebe Mathias Ezeaku ya beg the year represent biko obana ga to akwa to fairness in fairness o in gini fairness obana meme wayo na ge obugo no consensus ka ga eme were ne party ticket House of Rep nyere m onye na akpọ Mathias Ezeaku. I will use myself as a bet. Now Mathias Ezeaku will do better more than governor. Yes, he will do better more than governor. If Mathias Ezeaku can use people's contribution to do great and mighty things, which many people do not expect. Getting the one day when Mathias never only boys are aware, evidence are for or demma. One five brother aware, affair demma. Only ngoro would a leg, Butozi or demma. Kerian people if Mathias can be able to use small money, people not donating as people love themselves charity foundation, we may evidence. And one thing about Mathias is that evidence may go see evidence. Or about the government pocket or government fund, can Mathias Ezeaku will make something. In fact, let me just, I don't want to sound harsh, but if it is harsh, yabro harsh. People of Igbo Etiti, Nsuka, and the constituency Mathias in Nigeria representing, who fair law to vote Mathias in power, you guys will regret it. You guys will do what? We regret it now or later. Because here about the divine mandate, divine upliftment, divine divine, add it for yourself. Divine glory, everything divine movement. That Mathias will do more better in 2 years. No office, Ojera Abuja. Ndi Igbo Etiti manifesting that change ha. It like here bro ka je vote against Mathias. Mathias eji ogwo and odi ready beginning iji ogwo tomorrow. Okay, no as a Christian beginning to vote Mathias in power. You're not doing it in a neighbor antichrist. Mathias might be doing it wrong in aspect of maybe Harando ka dey work class or one person mere ka Mathias Nando ka dey mana Mathias Nando ka dey work class no be there because gini na ndị na-azụ ana na nke Mathias 80% bụ ndị ụka and ụbọ onye ọchụrụ achụ unu ejikwa na religious wee wepụ ihe Chineke nyere unu And Kita go to China now is afternoon, and I'm posting the video now. Today's date is what 20. I'm a no Friday, right? Everything in the regi. And I thought to no bron ka. People of Igbo Etiti, download on the video. To salan the video na. The Jpac membership card should go and vote for Mathias Ezeaku. In fact, anybody who's holding party, to area. I'll still do another video. I'll still do another video of Obrano onye obara na apụta na NDC bụ ezigbo mmadụ. Mana ihe njide ekwubura na onye ahụ unu ma bụ ezigbo mmadụ unu ejikwa na eti epele. Tore nie. Etu akịta anyị mabụ ndị Anambra South. Anya meji Ebuka Ọnụnkwọ wee eti epele. Because everybody know that Ebuka Ọnụnkwọ is a very good man and is the right man to the job. Whosoever that is holding at the corridor of NDC, baseball money, vote for that person. It shall be well with you. Mathias, let me use opportunity and congratulate you. To me, call the right. No problem. In right way. Mathias, congratulations. Go and deliver the people of Igbo Etiti. God bless you.
My name is Mr. Ezeaku Mathias. I'm aspiring for Federal House of Representatives to represent my good people of Ozowan and the Igbo Etiti constituency.
What do you think about NDC having its first convention today?
Today was very wonderful, so peaceful, everything went well. I'm so glad and happy that I joined one of the best parties in Nigeria today to bring change in Nigeria. And what motivated me as well to join NDC is because I'm someone that loves humanity. And because of the humanity I practice in Nigeria is what motivated me, what led me to build a nice hospital for my people in Anambra State for the less privileged, where our women put to bed free of charge, called Omenana Healing Hospital Maternity. I've also touched a lot of lives, built about 32 houses for the less privileged, took a lot of sick people to India for different medical treatment and surgeries. I've saved over 6,500 lives through my NGO called Igbos Love Themselves Charity Foundation. I love humanity, and I see Mr. P2B and Kwankwaso as people who are fighting for the downtrodden of the society, who are fighting for the good of the downtrodden of the society, who are fighting for the good of the vegetable of the society. I saw them as people who have passion for liberation. That is why I joined NDC. And I'm aspiring for House of Representatives, in which I know that by special grace of Chukwu Kikabema, with the help of my people of Ozowan and the Igbo Etiti constituency, I am going to the Green Chamber to represent them and to bring what belongs to them, and it shall come to pass. Thank you.
Thank you so much.